people today can no longer form deep connections, either with themselves or with others. What do you think is the cause of this spiritual disconnection?
The human being is a social creature and lives together with other people. Therefore, other people hold a significant place in our lives. If we can understand just this one law of Allah, then we can truly realize how valuable other people are to us. What is that? Make others happy and be happy. So if there are 10 people around us and we bring happiness to each of them, we will experience 10 times the happiness they feel. If there are 100 people and we bring happiness to all of them, we will experience 100 times the happiness they feel. Then the law is this: one for all and all for one. This is exactly what Allah desires. 14 centuries ago, the Bedouins, who were mortal enemies of one another, became beloved companions in a very short time through the teachings of the Quran and the companionship of the Messenger of Allah. How did they achieve this? They engraved this dhikr into their hearts and reached continuous dhikr. And who informs us that they reached continuous dhikr? The Holy Qur'an does. What does Allah Almighty say in Surah Az-Zumar verse 18? They listen to all words, but they follow the best of it, the word of Allah. Who are they? They are the ûli'l elbâb, the owners of the continuous dhikr. They are the ones who reach guidance and the honor of the continuous dhikr. If people today live by this verse, they too can become among the ûli'l elbâb. And if they reach continuous dhikr, then just like the companions who were once mortal enemies, they too can become beloved companions in a very short time. We begin to live in a world where everyone is a friend to one another and everyone is a brother or sister to one another. And such a time would rightfully be called an age of happiness. Such a period of time would make our world feel like paradise. This is what Allah wants from everyone, to live an eternal worldly life within paradise. May Allah bless you.